prosecution's case against Mark Jensen was highlighted last week by emotional and chilling testimony from his next-door neighbors. Tadduz and Malgorzata Wojt told the jury about their final conversations with Julie Jensen in the days and weeks leading up to her death. Let's take a look.
Did there come a time in 1998 when Julie started to describe to you some problems that she was having in the household?
There was a few weeks, 6 weeks or 5 weeks before Julie died.
What were the various suspicions that she had?
Well, her various suspicions was that he's trying to poison her, or he's trying to drive her nuts to take away the kiss from her, because that's what one of the arguments they had, that he was scaring her that she was an unfit mother. He will take the kids away from her. Mark came home from work and he was offering her a drink. I don't know what was it, but he was after her with the drink, and she wouldn't take it. And it was very suspicious to her. That's what she told me, that I never got anything from Mark. Every time Mark walks into the door, I have to serve him. I gotta give him, it was a daily basis routine. Mark walks in, I handle him his drink, but it never was opposite.
And that's the last time you ever spoke to Julie Jensen?
Yes.
How long would you say that conversation lasted?
I would say it was probably 15 minutes, because I keep repeating. I didn't want to hang up.
Why not?
I felt something's wrong.
How did Julie sound in terms of her emotional state? Did she sound concerned?
No, she did not. She said, I'm okay, but she didn't sound okay. As I was getting closer to the house, I saw all the police cars, the ambulance. I already knew something very bad had happened. My daughter was crying. My husband was very, very upset. He was upset at me too. He said, you told me to stay away. You told me to not get involved. And look what happened.
And Mark was walking down the driveway, and his father was approaching him, and they give each other a high five. It was, to us, was like, it's like, you happy? What are you celebrating?
How much time elapsed between the point of Julie Jensen's death and the point where you can first recall seeing Kelly Greenman or Kelly Labonte around the house?
I seen her within 2 weeks, just going in and out briefly, so.
What time of the day was it that you'd see her going in or out?
Around dinner time.
High-fiving, Mark Jensen and his dad high-fiving shortly after Julie's death. Now, I don't know what they were high-fiving about, but it really doesn't sit too well with me.